Hi there, I'm gonna show in this video tutorial how to read a security code from our Nokia 2254G 2024 edition. We have here one sample for which we don't know its security code, and we cannot remove it either by doing a factory reset in debug mode. So the only option left is to use Furious Gold Box and SPD Service Tool latest version and read the code from it. This option is very useful also if you forget the code or you have a phone for which you want to recover the data and the device is protected by a security code. So let's go on debug mode on SPD Service Tool. Let's choose our model, and from the operations I'm going to pick read security code. Now I'm going to power off the device. Let's do it by removing the battery. So once it's off, I'm going to press connect on the software. And once the software starts searching for the phone, I'm going to insert the USB cable inside the phone. If all the drivers are in start, the device should be detected right away and work starts. So in a matter of minutes, we have here the code, as you can see. Now we remove the cable and reattach the battery since it's needed after this operation. Now let's power it on and check if the shown code is okay. So let's try it. 25102022. So the phone accepted the code. Everything is okay. Now we can simply disable it. So that's it. Now we can access the data inside the phone as well. So thanks again for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our product.